Janine, may madamdamin at pasasalamat na pagbati sa kaarawan ng inang si Lotlot de Leon. Hinga ang multi-awarded actress at Asia's Rising Star na si Janine Gutierrez ng pagbati sa kaarawan ng inang si Lotlot de Leon. Ayon pa nga sa naging post ng dalaga, "It's my mama's birthday and she deserves the world. Love you so much, mama, and thank you for everything. Sa patuloy mong pag-alaga at pagbigay ng sobra-sobra. I love you and I am so proud of you. Always, at Miss Lotlot de Leon."
I think if we're talking about your show, sino manghiram ng lighter sa birthday celebration? Oh my God, Baba, take two.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. She's gonna cry. Oh, there she goes.
Ano mamatay?
Yay!
Samantala, sinagot naman ni Lotlot ang anak. "I love you, anak. Thank you." At Miss Lotlot de Leon, happy birthday, Lotlot and friends. Miss Lotlot de Leon, great actress kayo pareho. At Miss Lotlot de Leon, happy birthday, idol. Nod kita sa That's Entertainment nung bata pa ako. At Miss Lotlot de Leon, happy birthday, idol. And big jars from LU. Happy birthday po, Miss Lotlot de Leon. Happy birthday, idol at Miss Lotlot de Leon. Sobrang bait mo din at salamat sa mahigpit na yakap at pag-aasikaso sa amin. Happy birthday po at Miss Lotlot de Leon. See you soon. Sabi naman ni Ann Curtis. Happy birthday, Ate Lot. Happy birthday at Miss Lotlot de Leon. Happy birthday, Miss Lotlot de Leon. Umuulan nga ng pagbati kay Miss Lotlot at kitang-kita naman kung gaano kasaya ang celebrant. Masaya rin nagsama-sama ang pamilya ni Balot kasama ni Janine ang nobyong si Jericho Rosales kung saan siya pa nga ang nagbibideo sa celebrant. Happy birthday, Balot! More blessings and birthdays to come and good health. Kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito, comment down below.